The world of content creation is changing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly becoming the go-to tool for generating high-quality content at scale. This revolution in content creation presents exciting new opportunities for individuals to make money in 2025 and beyond. Imagine writing a blog post in minutes, creating a captivating video script without breaking a sweat, or effortlessly generating engaging social media posts. AI makes all of this possible. As AI technology advances, it becomes more accessible and affordable, empowering anyone with an internet connection to become a content creator. This new era of AI-powered content creation levels the playing field, allowing individuals to compete with large corporations and media outlets. Whether you're a seasoned writer, a marketing professional, or just starting out, understanding and leveraging AI content creation will be crucial for success in the digital landscape of 2025. The beauty of AI content creation lies in its versatility and efficiency. AI-powered tools can generate a wide range of content formats, catering to diverse needs and platforms, from blogs to videos and even social media posts. Let's explore some of the most popular types of AI-generated content and how they can revolutionize your workflow. Blog posts and articles. AI writing assistants can help you craft compelling blog posts and articles on virtually any topic, whether it's technology, lifestyle, or business. These tools can generate ideas, write outlines, and even produce complete drafts, saving you time and effort, allowing you to focus on refining and personalizing the content. Video scripts and content. Creating engaging video content is a breeze with AI, which can handle everything from script writing to editing. AI tools can generate video scripts, suggest captivating visuals, and even help you edit your videos, ensuring a professional finish every time. Social media posts. Keeping up with the fast-paced world of social media can be challenging, but AI makes it manageable. AI-powered social media tools can help you generate attention-grabbing posts, schedule content in advance, and analyze your audience engagement, providing insights to optimize your strategy. Marketing and advertising. Copywriting effective marketing copy is crucial for any business, and AI can be a game changer. AI can help you craft persuasive website content, compelling ad copy, and engaging email campaigns, ensuring your message resonates with your target audience and drives results. Ready to embark on your AI content creation journey? Here are some practical steps to get you started. Choose your niche. Identify your interests and areas of expertise. Focusing on a specific niche will help you target your content effectively and attract a loyal audience. Select the right AI tools. Numerous AI content creation tools are available, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Research and experiment with different tools to find the ones that best suit your needs and budget. Start creating. The best way to learn is by doing. Begin by experimenting with different AI tools and content formats. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. Promote your content. Once you've created high-quality content, it's time to get it in front of your target audience. Utilize social media, email marketing, and other channels to promote your work. Now that you're creating compelling content with AI, let's explore how to turn your creativity into a sustainable income stream. Affiliate marketing. Partner with businesses and promote their products or services in your content. Earn a commission for every sale generated through your unique affiliate links. Display advertising. Monetize your website or blog by displaying ads from Google AdSense or other advertising networks. The more traffic you generate, the higher your potential earnings. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands to create sponsored content that aligns with your niche and audience. This can include sponsored blog posts, social media posts, or even videos. Online courses and workshops. Share your knowledge and expertise by creating and selling online courses or workshops. AI can assist you in generating course outlines, creating presentations, and even delivering content. Section 5. The ethics of AI content. Navigating the gray areas. While AI content creation offers tremendous opportunities, it also raises ethical considerations that we must address responsibly. First, transparency. Be transparent with your audience about your use of AI in content creation. This means clearly communicating when AI tools are used and the extent of their involvement. Disclose when and how you use AI tools, and be upfront about the level of human involvement in your work. This builds trust and ensures your audience understands the role of AI in your content. Second, authenticity. Strive to create content that is authentic, original, and reflects your unique voice. Authenticity is key in maintaining the integrity of your work. While AI can assist in the creative process, it's crucial to maintain your own perspective and style. Your unique voice is what sets you apart and resonates with your audience. Third, bias and fairness. AI algorithms can inherit biases from the data they are trained on. This can lead to unintended consequences and perpetuate existing biases. Be mindful of potential biases in your AI-generated content and ensure it promotes fairness and inclusivity. Regularly review and audit your content to identify and mitigate any biases. And finally, plagiarism. While AI content creation tools are designed to generate original content, it's essential to use them responsibly and avoid plagiarism. Plagiarism undermines the credibility of your work and can have serious ethical and legal implications. Always double-check your content for originality and cite your sources appropriately. This not only ensures the integrity of your work, but also respects the intellectual property of others. By navigating these grey areas responsibly, we can harness the power of AI while upholding ethical standards. Section 6. AI Content Challenges. Staying ahead of the curve. As with any rapidly evolving technology, AI content creation comes with its own set of challenges that need to be addressed proactively. First, staying up to date. The field of AI is constantly evolving, with new advancements and breakthroughs happening almost every day. It's crucial to stay informed about the latest advancements in AI content creation tools and techniques to remain competitive in this fast-paced environment. Second, maintaining quality. While AI can generate content quickly, it's essential to prioritize quality over quantity to ensure your content stands out. Always review and edit your AI-generated content to ensure accuracy, clarity, and originality. This step is vital to maintain the integrity of your work. Third, competition. As AI content creation becomes more accessible, competition in the digital landscape is likely to intensify, making it harder to get noticed. To stand out, focus on creating high-quality, niche-specific content that provides real value to your audience. This will help you carve out a unique space in the market. Lastly, evolving algorithms. Search engines and social media platforms are constantly updating their algorithms, which can impact the visibility of your content. Stay informed about these changes and adapt your content strategy accordingly to ensure your work reaches your target audience effectively. Keeping up with these updates is crucial for long-term success. Section 7. Case Studies. AI Content Success Stories. Real-world examples demonstrate the transformative power of AI content creation. The Associated Press uses AI to generate short news articles, freeing up human reporters to focus on more in-depth stories. This has increased their content output and efficiency significantly. The Washington Post utilizes a bot known as Heliograph to automate the creation of simple news reports and social media posts. This allows their journalists to focus on more complex and investigative reporting. BuzzFeed employs AI to personalize content recommendations for its users, leading to increased engagement and time spent on their platform. They also use AI to generate quizzes and other interactive content formats. Section 8. The Future of AI Content. A glimpse into tomorrow. The future of AI content creation is brimming with possibilities. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated and powerful tools to emerge. Hyper-personalization. AI will enable the creation of highly personalized content tailored to individual user preferences, leading to more engaging and effective marketing campaigns. Voice and visual search optimization. AI will play a crucial role in optimizing content for voice and visual search, as these technologies become increasingly prevalent. Interactive and immersive content. AI will drive the creation of more interactive and immersive content experiences, such as augmented reality and virtual reality applications. Predictive content analytics. AI will provide even more sophisticated content analytics, allowing creators to predict trends, understand audience behavior, and optimize their content for maximum impact. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the AI content wave. The AI content revolution is here to stay. By embracing this transformative technology and navigating its ethical considerations responsibly, individuals and businesses can unlock unprecedented opportunities for growth and success in the ever-evolving digital landscape. As we move into 2025 and beyond, AI content creation will continue to reshape how we consume, create and interact with information. Those who adapt and harness the power of AI will be well positioned to thrive in this exciting new era.